this BMW so far, the damage I can see is this piece got bent, some of the wirings, and I did start the car before, and hold on, right in there somewhere radiator is busted, so we'll need a new one. Other than that, frame is okay. It doesn't look to be damaged or anything. Just like this little piece. And I think I have like a slide hammer. I'm gonna try to pull it out and see if I can do it. It's not bad at all. So some of the wiring was damaged, and I do have spare wiring. And so far I got new hood, new fender, and new support, new light, and you can see the turn signal doesn't match, but that's what I'll just buy one off of eBay. And fan was damaged, and I think I'm gonna hit up a junkyard and see if I can find one on the junkyard and replace that. I got the thermostat out because from the impact it was hit and this piece was broken off. So this is junk, and I'm gonna be putting new one in. This thing was from eBay. I think I paid like 50 bucks for it, so hopefully it'll work. Installed the old fan just because I don't have time to go get a new one right now, and the plug was broken, so I just like butt connected and insulated it, and now I'm gonna put together the rest of the front end. Well, so far this is how it looks. I'm gonna put the hood on next, and if we come on the other side, I'm gonna put the fender on, and then from there I'm gonna probably align the headlights one more time.